Hey guys, Terry Brighton here again with another small block Mopar on the test stand. It's October 30th, 2024, and I'm in Wingham, Ontario, and it's like 75 degrees out here, so it's a heck of a nice day. A little bit on the windy side, but we'll take it. Anyways, this year 360/408 stroker is going to Matt in Zurich. He's going to put it in a 74 CUDA. Just briefly about the engine, I won't go into too much detail. I'll put it in the comments below. It's 408. It's got the SCAT rotating assembly in it, and it's a 1-98113 BI. And with the Speedmaster heads, it works out to exactly 9.9 to 1 compression. I put the comp rockers on this thing. They're really nice rockers, just a little bit on the loud side compared to some of the other ones, but they do work good. The cam that's in this one is a hydraulic roller. It's comp 20-811-9. It's a relatively mild cam, so he'll be able to run power brakes and all that kind of good stuff that he wants, but it still is decent idle and it's going to make good torque, and it'll work good for the heavier CUDA. Again, like I said, I'll put the rest of the stuff in the details below, and if you don't want to build something like this, you'll know what it sounds like. I didn't get this one dynoed. He said there's really no need to it. He's not going to race it or anything, but anyways, let's see what this thing sounds like for Matt. Oh, go forget to turn key on. Not going to worry about pulling the mufflers off the front of the open headers today. So there's Matt's 408 for his 74 CUDA. Thanks for watching, guys.